Welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I will show you how to cut a crop top for beginners. If that's what you would like to learn, make sure not to skip any part of this video so you don't miss any sewing tips and tricks. Let's start with the tutorial. To cut this, I need 30 inches by 60 inches fabric, and what I'm using here is a cotton fabric, as you can see. So this is what I'm going to use for this tutorial. We're going to first of all cut our pattern on a pattern paper, then I transfer to my fabric. I've gone ahead and drawn out the starting line. Next is my armhole length, and from the shoulder line I'm going to mark the length of the crop top. The armhole length I use is 9 inches and the length of the crop top is 19 inches. Next, I'm going to mark for the circumference of the crop top. First, I'm going to start with the shoulder width. Divide your shoulder divided by 2 and you're going to mark that here. In my own case, it's 7.5 inches. I'll go ahead and connect this line like this. Next, I'm going to drop the shoulder slope to 1 inch. And then the width of the neckline I'm using is 3 inches. I'm going to go ahead and connect this line. Next, I'm going to mark for the circumference of the bust. So you're going to take round the fullest part of your bust, divide that by 4, and you're going to add ½ inch for ease, and you're going to mark that here. And then I'm going to make the armhole curve. For me to do that, I'm going to divide whatever I have from my shoulder to my armhole. This is for me to have a guide on how to make the armhole curve. So I'll go ahead and connect the back armhole curve like this, and from that place I'll come in ½ inch and I'm going to connect for the front armhole curve. So go ahead and connect this like this. So this is the back armhole and this is for the front. Next, I'm going to mark the neck depth. I'm using 1 inch for the back neck depth. I'll go ahead and connect it. And for the front neck depth, I'm going to use 4 inches and I'm going to connect this like this. Next, I'm going to mark for the hem. At the hem, I'm going to make that 12.5 inches at the hem because it's going to have a small flare at the hem. So I'm going to mark this here and I'm going to connect it to the upper bust like this. I'll go ahead and come up 2.5 inches at the hem on the side and connect it like this, just the same way you connect a flare. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'll go ahead and add ½ inch sewing allowance all around. Remember, you can actually draw this straight on your fabric. I didn't have a chalk, that's why I decided to use my pattern paper to do this. So if you're cutting yours, you can cut straight on your fabric. So after cutting this out, first of all, I'm going to cut the back. As you can see, I'm cutting for the back. Remember, the difference between the front and the back is at the armhole and the neckline. So I've gone ahead and cut out for the back. As you can see, I'll go ahead and cut off the armhole and cut out the front. So this is how the two of them are looking. Next thing I'm going to do is to close the back like this. As you can see how it's looking. Next, I want to have a slit at the back. I'm going to go ahead and sew this. So let's go to the machine and do that so that you understand what I'm saying. Just fold the back like this, fold it into 2 and sew it like you see me do. If you have watched this video till this time, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Understood anything? This crop top is very simple. Anybody can actually make this. So this is how the slit at the back is looking. Next, we're going to sew the shoulder. After sewing the shoulder, this is how it's looking. I'm going to use bias to sew the neckline. I have here 1 inch unfold, as you can see. So let's go to the machine and sew the back. I'm going to close this like this, as you can see, and I'm going to sew the bias. So let's go to the machine and sew this.
So many times that I miss you. how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues.
Next, I'm going to go ahead and notch this so that it will be able to relax properly, and I'll go ahead and top stitch it as you can see me do. So this is it after sewing it. Next is for us to cut the sleeve. So I'm going to take the measurements of the armhole on the dress, like you can see me do like this. What I have here is 9 inches. Make sure you bring this out properly so that you have the right measurement. I have my fabric folded into 2 like this, and I folded it into 4 as you can see. Next, I'm going to take the measurement I got from the armhole, which is 9 inches, and I'm going to place this like this. The length I'm using is 7.5. Then I'm going to place this and mark 4 inches here for the sleeve head. I'm going to place this diagonally like you see me do like this, and mark the center of the sleeve head. So from here I'm going to curve in like this and come up this way. I'll go ahead and cut this out. Remember, my fabric is still on fold, so I'm going to cut that so that I have 2 pieces for the 2 sleeves. Remember, the front and back of the armhole are not the same thing, so I'll go ahead and place 2 pieces for the side for the front and cut it out like this. And then I'm going to notch the center of the sleeve so I know where the center is, and also notch to show the side that is the front. After cutting the sleeve, next is for us to fix the sleeve to the crop top. So I'll place this, remember this is the front, I'll align this properly like this, and I'm going to join the sleeve. After joining it, this is how it's looking. Next is for me to sew the side seam, and I'm going to go ahead and hem the lower part and the sleeve. After hemming it, this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to drop that in the comment section if there is any new thing you learned today. And if there is none, also let me know in the comment section that you have been using this technique. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger